That declared its results after the market hours yesterday was Bajaj Finance. And I was looking at the numbers, they look healthy overall, a slight miss on the profitability front, but asset quality has improved, unlike in the case of other NBFCs. AU Small Finance Bank comes to mind. But the stock has taken a beating this morning, Kush. It's down somewhere around 4%. And I was reading some of the brokerage views. They are positive on the long-term prospects of the company, but what's the short-term view on Bajaj Finance? Is there more pain in the offing?
If we would have spoken before the market open, irrespective of what the result was, my opinion would have been, and this is the benefit of hindsight, but my opinion would have been, if there is any kind of rise in the stock, go ahead and sell it. Now, let me also give a very clear disclaimer that this is one of our favorite stocks and has been for years now. But we'll have to perhaps adapt with changing times. If you look at the high that the stock made, somewhere early October last year of about 8,000, 8,200 odd, the stock's been slipping continuously, and there is a very clear shift, perhaps from Bajaj Finance, out from Bajaj Finance and perhaps, into Geo Finance. But if you just look at it independently also, I'm drawing a trend line, a downward sloping trend line. There was a brief phase of 5-7 days when the stock was up, but again, it's crashed and tumbled again. So from my perspective, I think it's a good idea to perhaps make that switch. The company keeps surprising from its business performance on the upside, but somehow it's not translating into stock price, and that's of course the proof of the pudding, right? So for me, there could be some downside. If you're looking at a fresh short selling opportunity, then I would suggest wait for the stock to perhaps bounce a little and then go ahead. But from an investment perspective, for now, I would say hold on. I mean, avoid putting in fresh money in Bajaj Finance.